Hey guys, Marlon from Impress Computers, and today I'd like to talk about the Asus ROG Strix 2. This is a 17-inch laptop. It's brand new by Asus. It's got the nice carbon fiber look with the nice LED, as you can tell, the RGB keyboard, and all of the good stuff. It comes with the i7 processor. It's got 16 gigs of RAM, dual drives, one NVMe for your operating system, and the second drive is a terabyte for your games and stuff like that, as well as a GTX 1060, which is 6 gig video card. This laptop is actually certified to run virtual reality, so you can literally take your goggles on site or whatever you want and play video games with its machine wherever you are. So this is going to be running with a special software for one of our clients where you're going to set it up and have it all ready to go. So if you're looking for a nice deal on a laptop, or if you want to build a computer, you can check our website, and you can also fill up the form. So once you come in, we're going to have all your information and everything's going to be ready to go for you to just walk in and then just go out real quick. So if you have any questions on any laptop, computer repairs, and custom builds, please leave your comments down below or give us a call at 281-647-9977. Thank you.